It's a great day for a drive, especially in this 2022 F-350 XLT in Agate Black. Gray cloth interior, seating for 6, 4 doors, and an 8-foot box. You have the 5th wheel hitch prep package as well as the 5th wheel hitch assembly. It has 397 amp connector, and it has a 6.7 liter Power Stroke turbo diesel engine. It's a V8 with a 10-speed automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. It also has an 8-way power driver seat, keyless entry keypad, as well as navigation. It's really easy to take this vehicle out on a test drive. You can book it online at islandford.ca. Stay tuned, we're gonna have a look under the hood and inside and out. This is a 6.7 liter Power Stroke turbo diesel engine. It's paired with an automatic transmission. It's a V8 and a 4x4. Let's have a look inside. Speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is an 8-way powered seat. Your passenger seat is manual, but both seats are heated. The emergency parking brake is located here. Lighting controls, LED side view mirror spotlights, and you have a running board and grab handle to make it easier to get in. On the face of the steering wheel, we have our dash controls, cruise control, media with volume, and hands-free dialing. I'm going to start up the vehicle. You're going to see any important messages, your odometer reading, and a menu as well. And we'll wait for that to come up. So it's just letting us know some information there. So display mode, trip fuel, towing, off-road, settings, and these all have sub-menus. Your automatic shifter also has drive mode on the end. When you press it, it'll appear on the dash. So you've got normal, tow haul, eco, slippery, deep snow sand, and you're going to get a recommendation there. And then just press again and around. At the top, you've got a little cubby, exhaust brake, traction control, hazard lights, lane keeping, and there's your camera view. And as well, you've got your nice display screen here. We can touch on home, and it's going to give us different options. What we're seeing right there is the map for navigation. We can go into audio, and we can turn down our volume, sources, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as Bluetooth. When we put the vehicle in reverse, we're going to see our backup camera view. And again, you're seeing yourself in space. I kind of like that because you can see how close you are to a curb. Your dotted line is the black little line there in the center, and if you're hooking up to a trailer, whatever, very handy to show you your center line. Green, yellow, red is how close you're getting as you back up, getting closer to different objects or other vehicles, and you see it's right off the back bumper. I'm going to put us back into park for safety's sake. And we can go into settings as well, slide through. You've got your Bluetooth there, navigation, FordPass Connect, automatic updates, and so forth. And they all have sub-menus as you touch through them. Volume and tuner. And then down below, there's your heated seats for driver and passenger, your AC and max AC, front and rear defrost. That's your fan. Down below, you've got a USB-C 12 volt. There's a little cubby down there. 4x4 with locking differential, integrated trailer brake controller, and pro trailer backup. And in the center, you've got an armrest with a couple of cup holders. You open this up, you've got more storage. Flip this up for another seating position. It's got its own seat belt. You can unclip, and you've got more storage down there. Off to the side here, you've got a 12 volt and a 110, 2 glove compartments. The lower one is locking. Manually dimming rear view mirror, lighting controls, sunglass holder, and you also have a grab handle in the body, and that just makes it easier to get in. 18-inch wheels, chrome and magnetic running board, chrome door handle, driver's side fuel cap, and in the back the handle is also chrome for your tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable. You have an LED light to the right of the handle, and just above it is where your backup camera is located. Backup sensors on your bumper, 4 and 7 pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. And then we just put our hand in the latch, it'll bring it right down. And inside you have the 5th wheel hitch prep package, as well as the 5th wheel hitch assembly, 19K. And inside you've got a big box. It's 8 feet, tie downs in all 4 corners, as well as box link. And you also have a tailgate step. That yellow button that you're seeing, it pulls out and creates an arm for you to stand upright. Makes it easy to get in and out using that, and then it just tucks away when you're done with it. And then when you're ready, just close everything up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob, you have remote start. Just wanted to show you back here, you also have 2 connections that are located right here, and just open them up. They've got these nice covers on them, and that just protects them. Whoops, and there we go. They're just nice and tight. They've got a seal on there too, and you're seeing the box link on the side there. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows, and there's a grab handle in the body. For seating for 3 with a 60-40 split, simply lift the seat with one hand. It's in the upright position. And on the floor we have a collapsible lockable box or bin that runs the full length. And then to bring the seat down, just pull this tab. There's anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats, carpeted mats on the floor, and slim pockets on the back of the front seat. In the center you have a 12-volt and a couple of cup holders. Your lighting is up top, hooks, and in the back access to a big window with rear defrost. Chrome bumper, dual exhaust, 8-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows, power scope, trailer tow mirrors that have the chrome skull caps, integrated turn signal, and blind spot information system. Halogen headlights, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We have plenty to share with you, and we'd love to hear your comments.